Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable Kid Space on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on Accessibility and Convenience. From here, you will find the option of Kids Mode. Just tap on it, then tap on Agree and Continue. Now on this page, just enable the apps which you want to use in Kids Mode. Just like that. And once you enable the apps which you want to use in Kids Mode, then tap on Next. And from here, just set a screen time limit for Kids Mode. As you can see, it is currently on 30 minutes, but you can either select 15 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour. Or you have the option of Custom. And in Custom, you can set a custom time. Just like that. Now, once you select the screen time limit for Kids Mode, then tap on Next. And from here, you can enable the toggle for ambient light reminder. And by enabling this feature, your smartphone will remind your child to move to a brighter area when the ambient light is too low. And if you enable this option, you will filter blue light to protect your child's eyesight. And once you're done with the settings, then tap on OK. Now from here, just select Allow. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled Keep Space on our smartphone. Now, if you want to turn off the black and white effect on the screen, just tap on the three dots over here, then tap on Parental Controls. Now, just confirm that you're the parent by using the fingerprint sensor. Now, on this screen, just tap on Eyesight Protection. And from here, just disable Eye Protecting Display. And once you disable this option, you will disable the black and white effect on the screen. And this is how you can enable Kid Space on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.